Hi, I'm Dana Alison Levy,
And I'm Shakirah Bourne.
and we are the co-editors of Being an Ally. And today we're going to talk a little bit about how we choose what to read next.
Okay, so my friends know me very well. So I often go on their recommendations because they know what type of books I like. They know that I like books with a lot of fantasy and adventure and high stakes and exciting characters. So when they recommend a book to me, I definitely give it a look. And when I read the blurb or the back of the book to find out what it's about, and there's anything that makes me go, ooh, or if there's something that makes me laugh, then I definitely know it's the book for me. What about you?
So true. Recommendations from friends are absolutely a gateway into some of my favorite books. The other thing I truly love to do is to just browse. And of course, bookstores are amazing for this, but also the public library, or even now I have a library app on my phone. And being able to just take as long as I want to read the first page, to look at the back, to look at the cover, to read about the author. And what I love about the library is, I can grab 10 books, 12 books, and just check them out, see what catches my fancy. And I have found some amazing books that I would have never heard of, but they just something about their cover, or a librarian recommended it, or it was on a display of blue books on a wall, whatever it is. Sometimes just serendipity and the ability to browse around is like the best gift of all.